Good morning. I am Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameswar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today, I am going to discuss prepositions of place. The topic is important for intermediate as well as degree students of the university. Prepositions of place. There are some common prepositions which are used to refer place. For example, there is a man in or inside the phone box. In the sentence, in or inside, preposition of place. You can park outside the bank. In this sentence, outside, preposition of place. Lunch is on the table. Here, on, preposition of place. There is a flag on top of the building. On top of, preposition of place in the sentence. The dog was under the table. The dog was under or underneath the table. Under or underneath, preposition of place. The clock is over or above the entrance. Over or above, preposition of place. Coming down the steps is easier than climbing up them. Coming down, down, and up, preposition of place. The fans were going in or into the stadium. In the sentence, in or into, preposition of place. Afterwards, they came out of the stadium. Out of, preposition of place. The road goes through the tunnel. The road goes through the tunnel. Here, through, preposition of place. Tunnel, you must be knowing it's a word, a passage built underground. I tipped the money on or onto the counter. On or onto, preposition of place. Take those shoes off the table, please. Here, off, preposition. I was waiting at the traffic lights. I was waiting at the traffic lights. Here, at, preposition of place. We took a train from Patna to Delhi. From or to, preposition of place. We were driving away from the coast and towards the mountains. We were driving away from the coast and towards the mountains. Towards, preposition of place. I was sitting next to or by or beside Radha. Here, next to, by or beside are prepositions of place. Our table was close to or near the door. Our table was close to or near the door. Close to or near, prepositions of place. He was first. Well, try to understand the example. It's very important. He was first, referring to place. She was in front of or ahead of me in the queue. Ramesh was behind me. We walked along the pavement. We walked along the pavement. Along, preposition of place. Pavement, you must be knowing, a flat part. Pavement means a flat part at the side of the road for people to walk on. In American English, it is called sidewalk. Pavement, it's a very common word. A car went past the school at high speed. Again, a car went past the school at high speed. In the sentence, past is working as prepositions. Very important, you should try to understand. The word past here has been used as a preposition. And if the word past is used as prepositions, it has three meanings. First one means later than something. For example, it was past midnight when we got home. Second meaning, on or to the other side of somebody something. For example, we live in the house just past the temple. And third sense, above or further than a particular point or stage. For example, unemployment is now past the 3 million mark. Here we have seen different uses of the word past working as prepositions for different meanings. We walked across the road. In the sentence, across, preposition of place. I smiled at the man sitting opposite me. I smiled at the man sitting opposite me. In this sentence, opposite, preposition of place. I lost my friend among the crowds. Here, among, preposition of place. The athletes run round the track. The athletes run around the track. Here run or around. Here around, sorry. Preposition of place. A man was leaning against the wall. In the sentence, against, a man was leaning against the wall. Against is working as preposition of place. The submarine is 500 meters below us. In the sentence, below, it's the preposition of place. You must be knowing the word submarine means a ship that can travel underwater. Who knows what lies beyond those hills? Here, beyond, preposition of place. In this way, we have seen that there are certain common prepositions of place, and I have tried my best to explain those prepositions by examples, because examples are simple reading, examples are better for quick conception. That's all for the day. Thank you.